guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing some cleaning motivation and also some packing motivation if you need that. But I'm going to first start off in my bedroom. Usually I start off in my kitchen, but I needed to get my sheets washed and my comforter washed. So I went ahead and just started this video here, and then I'm going to move along to packing up some stuff and then cleaning. So stay tuned and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about it, and I will see you in the next clip.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So now that I have the laundry started, I'm going to go ahead and start packing up this dresser or this side table. I actually just sold my whole bed suit, so that will be gone by this weekend. I'm super excited because I was hoping I could sell it really fast and really quickly, so I didn't have to try to move this, because guys, this furniture is so heavy and I did not want to have to move it into storage. So I'm super excited that I got it sold on Facebook, and so now I just need to clean out this side, and I have other ones to clean out, which you'll see later on in other videos, but I wanted to go ahead and get this done today.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing.
So you'll see in this clip, but I have this box here, and I didn't realize that one of the sides was missing. But I got free boxes from one of my co-workers, and so I just taped it up and just kept on going. I just used it. I mean, honestly, it's fine. I could still tape it up, so it worked out.
I'm all about your vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, 'cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough. No, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at, 'cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe. phase. I'm all about your vibe. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream, what a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all.
So on my side of the bed, I really just have like a lot of books that I used to read, and some of them I haven't even read yet. So I was just trying to see what I'm gonna keep and what I was gonna put in my bag, and that was to Goodwill. So I put a few books in there, and the ones I knew that I wasn't gonna be reading anymore. So that is what I'm doing when I put stuff into that trash bag.
I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow.
So I wanted to take a minute to kind of talk about this camera that I'm using. It is a camera that I bought off of Amazon, and I think I told y'all in my last video it was less than $100, and it was. But let me know in the comments, how do you like the quality of this video? I'm still trying to figure everything out on recording, and I just want to make sure that I am putting out good content and good quality videos that you guys enjoy. So please just let me know your truth, if you think the video was good or if it was too choppy, and I'm still trying to figure that out. I think the camera stops recording when it doesn't see me moving or something, I don't know, but I'm still trying to figure all that out. But I am pretty much enjoying this camera. I'm going to give it one more shot on a video, and then I'm going to let you know what camera this is. So my desk is like part of one of my dirty little secrets. Y'all, I don't know what I did, but I just let this desk like get out of hand. But I really didn't have to pack up the stuff in there, but I knew how junky it was that I needed to just go ahead and just clean it out and just put stuff in boxes. So when it was time to move, it wouldn't be so difficult to move all that stuff and to like get rid of some of that stuff. So I went ahead and just cleaned it out because honestly it needed it.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Start crying over things I can't take back.
So I'm moving on to this TV stand, but I had already cleaned it out, but I left some stuff that I needed for selling my house. I didn't paperwork on that, and that's what I just put over in that box to make sure that I still had all that for my closing day. I don't really know what all you need for closing, so I just made sure I kept that out so I could just have that paperwork just in case. But everything else, I think the first 2 drawers are the ones that had stuff in it, but the rest of them were pretty much cleaned out, so I didn't really have to clean those out in this video, so that was good.
Tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You.
So you're probably wondering, what is all this stuff on the floor? So I am selling stuff off of Facebook, like Marketplace and stuff like that. And I just had all that there because I needed to take pictures of it. And then I needed to see the sizes from when I was putting them on the Facebook site. I was trying to make sure I put the right size down. So that's why they were sitting there.
Is it just me? Or is it hard to agree with what you're trying to explain? I don't mind feather wings, no diamond rings, but that's not how you get to me, no. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, sweet delivery is never guaranteed, no matter the place or time. Oh, I like when you're whispering and really listening. Not too much fuss, so keep it easy. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll.
So as you can tell, it was dark outside because this was later on in that day. Well, actually it was that night. I did more things that I needed to get done at my house, and then I got to go to my hometown, actually where I am moving. But I went there to visit my parents, and I just had some other things I had to do there as well. But now I am back. But I just want to go ahead and just let you know that you won't see me put my comforter on because I had to put that sucker in the dryer 4 times for it to dry. So I just did not have time to film it. But I did let you see this part of me putting my sheets on, and I actually have a slow-mo clip on there. So let me know what you think about the slow-mo.
And talk till late, we can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe.
So in this clip, I think you'll see me look at the TV a couple of times, but this was a Monday night, and on Mondays, The Bachelor comes on, and so I had to see what was going on with Peter. So if you watch The Bachelor, let me know in the comments who's your favorite girl so far.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today I was just focusing on packing up my bedroom and getting things out of the hallway because this move is coming really quickly. I have 2 weeks and that's really not that much time, so I have to like get on it. But I have more videos coming out, packing videos, cleaning videos, you name it, I got it. So go ahead and push that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.